extract information from image. Okay, here we have our screenshot and it is an image. Okay, if I go to my workflow, click on my screenshot, an image, Telegram, send, you'll see the workflow with wake extracts information from this image and send it to me. Okay, so we'll see how you can do the same. Use an AI agent to extract information for image. Okay, let's go and create a new workflow. We'll go step by step to create the same. Okay, you can start with Telegram. Okay, Telegram on message, but you must go to your Telegram to create a new chatbot if bot further. Okay, I use this. Okay, here create new credential, put it here and save it. Okay, if I put it in test mode and go to my Telegram here, extractor, and say it hi, I get information here. So my Telegram is connected with this workflow here. Okay, this agent is connected with this workflow. So let's continue. Okay, after that you want to add a new Telegram to get file. Okay, Telegram get file here, and here we want to add the file ID. Let me deactivate this. Do a click test mode and go to Telegram, send the image, send it. We want to get information about it. Okay, this is those information we want to get. So after that you can activate this, do a click and execute preview node. Okay, here this information from here, you have it in output, you have it here. Okay, in input here, so you can drag and drop the file ID here. Okay, so if you test, you get this information, okay, to download. So here you want to go to download it, so you can add code. No, you can add HTTP request to download it. Okay, here you want to choose pause, and you need a website where you can use a API to extract information from this download file. Okay, so you have a free, and you go to this website, OCR, a free OCR API. You click on free OCR API and you go down to click on register, and you can register to get a free, and click here and subscribe. You'll get on OCR. You must click to subscribe and you'll get a free OCR. Okay, if I go here, you must go to find. If you click on free OCR, you can go down and find this link, copy this link, paste it in your workflow here. Okay, and click here to active this send headers, and here you must write API key and go now to find it to your Gmail. Okay, and paste it here, and after that you must active this, choose form data and use n8n binary, write file here and write data here like this, and after that you can test steps. Okay, you'll get those information. Okay, so after that you want to add a code. Okay, add a code here. Okay, you can do a screenshot of this and go to ChatGPT to write the same code and use it. Okay, and if I test steps, I get information. Okay, all information about my image. Okay, and the next step, okay, we'll use a pen and row, and you'll choose our, you can go to create a new Google Sheet. Okay, once you add a Google Sheet, you can go to create a new Google Sheet here. Okay, here, if you go to your Google Sheet account, you create a new Google Sheet. In the code node, you click on it and test step, you'll get information. Okay, in the output, you can copy this, go to your Google Sheet and paste it in Sales 1. Okay, do the same for other information, invoice data, you copy total amount, because you need those information from your invoice. Okay, so you copy them and create your Google Sheet like that. Okay, after that you can edit it to get a best view. Okay, now if you go to your workflow, click on your Google Sheet, you can choose, before you must select your account which has the same with your Google Sheet. Okay, select the account, and now you can find your invoice title information. You choose sheet 1 and you'll see all row. Okay, you can drag and drop from this output all information from the code input output, drag and drop, and you have, after that you test step and you will get a new output from your Google Sheet. Okay, let's continue. We place this here and add a telegram to get file. Okay, if you click on telegram, you can go down to click on get file, and here you want to add the file ID of your telegram trigger. Okay, find this file ID. Okay, we have first, we have 1 2 third, we have free, file ID here because I have sent free image to my telegram. Okay, so take the last and click on test step and you'll get this. Now you can go to add a Google Drive because you want to save it and allow access to your customers. We want to look and see the invoice image. Okay, you want to click here, and here you want to add invoice, the invoice name, and paste this code to get the time right now. Okay, about the invoice. And here, if you create a new credential to connect your Google Drive, you can find any data where you want to save this information about your invoice. So we have this folder in my Google Drive, so I choose it to save the invoice image there. Okay, and click on step and test step. Okay, here I get information about my Google, and on this information I have the link which can allow people to look at. If I go there and paste the link, you'll see the image, the link to get access and see the image. Okay, so we can continue. Okay, here we want to add a field, set field. We want to get some information about this invoice. If you do one click here in the name, you'll get this and drag and drop it here, and add a second field. And here you want to add the HTTP request. HTTP, if you go down, you can get this code and paste it here, and invoice information. Okay, nice. After that you click on step. Okay, and you get the name and invoice information. You need them. So now we want to add our agent, AI agent, which can analyze it. If you add an AI agent, you must add an LLM here. We'll use OpenAI and create new credential. Okay, it's very easy to create a new credential. You go to platform, you create a new credential and save it here. I have many videos about it. You can check in my, and here you can add a buffet. Okay, here define below and go down to your telegram to find the chat key. Okay, paste it here. Okay, nice. After that you want to add a telegram. Before we'll edit this AI agent, define below, and here if you click on expression, you can click here and you'll drag and drop those information. You need them. Okay, and here you write invoice information and invoice name. Okay, uh, information about invoice you must use. Okay, and after that you want to create a system message. On this system message you will add a long message from ChatGPT. You can create a screenshot. Let me paste it here. You can create a screenshot of your AI agent, okay, and analyze that you want. Go to ChatGPT and set it to paste this screenshot here, and ask ChatGPT create a system message, to hello my AI agent to analyze the invoice. You write something like that you want. You write it and you ask him to create it for you. Okay, after that you get a long text or a small text. You analyze, you read it, and you edit it. Okay, here I want to delete those information. Delete this, delete this, delete this, because we need a variable. Okay, if you go to your Google Sheet, you will find them. Okay, Google Sheet, we have this here, invoice date here, invoice amount here, invoice billing here, invoice due date here. And now we want to add the link. Okay, here we want to the link, database link, and this link is to HTTP request. If you find your HTTP request, you will get, this is the HTTP request here, and the link, no, Google Drive. We get the link from Google Drive. So this is the web view link. Okay, paste it here. And now, and you must output information about this invoice. Okay, create a text, and output information about this invoice, and we will check if it works. Click on here and you'll see the agent. Okay, information. Thank you. Okay, nice. So we can go to add Telegram to send out the same message. Okay, Telegram, send a message, text message, and we have, okay, here for the chat ID, go down to find it in your Telegram trigger. Okay, chat ID, paste it here. The text here must be the AI agent output, and it's done. If you click on test step, you'll get those message. Okay, so now we can check it. Okay, if I click on test workflow, it must download the file, save it in Google Sheet, download it, save it in Google Drive to get a link, get information, give it to agent, and send me a message. Okay, let's try. Double click here to unpin it. We want to add, put it in test mode. So now let's go to do a test. Do one click here to put it in test mode. Go to Telegram. Okay, go to my file, find the screenshot invoice, paste it in Telegram, and send it. And now you must get the file, download it, save it in Google Drive to get the link and get information to the agent. The agent will analyze it and send us message about this invoice. Okay, we use an image, extract information about it and get it in our Telegram. So now we can click here to get, people can click here to get access to the file and look at the invoice image that is saved in your Google Drive. Okay, this is the all process here. You can try it in your workflow and see how it work for you. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share. See you to the next tutorial.